In this video, you will see some amazing code for the Samsung phone. If you're the Samsung user or the Android user, this video is for you. So let's dig in. The first code is when you go into the dial pad, so you need to dial *#06*. So all of a sudden you will get all information of your phone. I mean the IMEI number, EID number, and serial number. Dial *0*, and it will bring you to that screen and that menu. And that menu is you can check everything, every single thing in your phone. So let's say, we try the red color. Look at that, there is no dot, which means the screen is okay. So when you tap again, it's a green. When you tap again, it will bring you to the menu back, the blue. So these three major colors of the screen, so which actually all three has no dots, no dead pixel. So you can check this receiver. You can see the sound, which means the receiver is good. If you put this and the vibration, okay. So this is the, if you have a pen, so you can draw the pen. And what about the mega cam? If you hit that thing, you can see your back, all cameras are working. The sensor, if you see this thing, you'll see when I put a hand here, see, it is keep changing. That's the one. And in the same menu, you can check your front camera, your back screen, Hall IC, pen I already talked about, the blue. And the one more thing, you can check the touch. So you can check, like, you can make this, you have to draw this all things all the way. Sorry, I'm not good in the drawings. So when it's all dots are connected, which means your phone is, your touch is 100% working. Look at the middle. I'm sorry, as I said, I'm not good in the drawing. So when is the touch is full working, it will bring you to that menu. So this menu is very useful if you're buying any used phone or you want to test your phone. So if you're trying to connect your phone to any device and it's not reading, so try this code. So *0808#, and it will bring you to that thing. Look at this. So that is actually the USB setting. So if you go to that, the DM modem, and it has a different option. It's depend. Sometimes it's a random select to just make sure it's on MTP. Otherwise, PTP also works. So if any of changing made before, sometimes you unlock your phone or you upgrade your phone, that thing happen. So just bring it to that MTE and it will read after that. If it's not reading after that, so you need to clean your charging port on some point. Phone is draining very fast. If your phone battery draining is very fast, so try this code. It will work. If your phone draining very fast, try this code. It will work for your battery. So just go here, *9900#. It will bring you to that thing. Look here, it says the sync DAM, and if you go all the way down, you'll see on some last, right, this one, the battery stats. So just battery stats reset. When you reset, it will say the battery stat reset. So all background applications and all other stuff which is you can't see on the phone, it will stop and your battery works fine. Every code start with the star number 1 2 3 4, and then this. So it will bring you to this model. Let's say if you are buying the phone and you can check the actual model number and everything. If somebody want to even change it, but that thing nobody can change until they play with the boots. *1111 and that thing. So it will bring you to the which version you are using, right? The real FTA SNW version. So if anybody gonna change it, trying to rip you off, you can check that thing. This one is also interesting for you. If you want to buy any device, or you want to check your device microphone or receiver is working, so what you can do, it's very easy. You can just dial *0283 and hit the number sign, and you'll see this thing, this menu. So which is a start RCV mic. You can check your mic. You hit this and record something, and you can see, and these all different mics, right? The one mic is here, other one is here, and one mic works somewhere here, right? So these are three mics. If you like that video, share it with your friends, and I will make the series of that kind of codes. See you in the next video. Stay safe.